Hi people, here's the situation. I've got a toilet installed over there, I'm going to show you in a minute, but I don't have any walls and door, so I need to get started on that. So I'm going to get started building walls around this thing, so I could do my business in peace, if you know what I mean. Keep the sink outside, yeah. Alright, I did this in the previous video, but I didn't really explain what I was doing, so I'll explain it now. I've put the countersink bit in the drill and the regular bit into the impact driver, so that way I could countersink it and then straight away drill it in. Let me show you how that looks. Hey guys, sorry about the noise. I just got my first sliding bed panel saw. It's second hand, it needs a little bit of cleaning up, but it's about as stable and solid as it gets. So this is the machine. The bed extends to 2.7 meters and it's got an arm that can stretch up to about 3.5 meters or something like that. And yeah, it just slides along and glides nicely, so you can cut material smoothly with it. In a moment I'm going to attach the saw and see how it works. Okay, so what we've got here is a 92 tooth, 300mm diameter, industrial carbide tip cutting blade, and this is all going to be attaching to the panel saw. thing about panel saws is their bolts open up the opposite way to standard bolts. The reason for that being is it because it has to meet the spin direction of the blade, has to go opposite the direction, and therefore when the blade spins, instead of loosening it, it tightens it. Considering what I just mentioned just now, you don't want to tighten it too tight because it actually tightens itself whilst it's working. Make sure that's closed up so it's safe. And then we're going to fire it up to make sure it's running smoothly. First I'm going to slide the thing over. So I'm not too close to it. So now that we've got it running smoothly, it's about time to cut some material with it and check its cutting abilities. I'm going to start here with a thin piece of plywood. It's only 6mm thick. The main idea of this is just to check its accuracy and its squareness. Let's try that out. Glided through that. I don't know how clearly you can see that on the camera, but that's quite a smooth finish. And that's about as close to square as it gets, really. Quite impressed by that first try. I thought I was going to have to adjust it a lot. But as it appears, it's pretty close to square. Okay, so I'm going to show you where we're currently holding in the shop. This is how it looks like right now. We've got a nice electricity system set up with all the outlets and lights around the side. 2 floodlights, LED floodlights, one over there, one up there. I'm going to install more smaller lights, both underneath there, underneath the second floor, and on top. This here is the panel saw, band saw. I'm going to change all the positions of everything, or most things anyway. This table I built here I'm going to use for like a double purpose. One side is going to be like a miter saw station, and the other side I'm going to have a drill press station offset slightly to the left. So I'll leave the miter saw where it is, screw it into the table, put the drill press over here, right over here. So therefore the miter saw will have room to slide back and forward without actually hitting it, and will basically serve 2 purposes. This over here
I don't actually know what it's called in English, but it's called a מכונת קאנטים. It basically puts the PVC edge on panel material or manufactured boards. So it kind of uses air pressure, hot air, to glue it on. Then I've got here, over there, and this table here somebody gave me. I'm going to make that into a router table. That's the current plan. That may change soon. Then I've got the plumbing set up, of course. You know, a toilet here, and a little sort of lock on the door thing, whatever you make of that. That's the 250 litre air compressor, that's the word. And where do we go? We go up here. The upstairs area, still haven't finished completing it and sorting it out, but this is more or less the office area. It could also be used for extra storage. This is where all the camera systems are based, the internet and everything like that. And yeah, it's got a nice view over there. I'm probably going to put like a sort of plexiglass window or something with some boards around it, so it's not too dangerous. And that's what we have so far. Right guys, I appreciate you following on my journey and hope you stay tuned for next time, and I'll try to update you with everything that's going on. Thank you.